Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the brows, and this is an updated brow routine, and it's a very simple natural looking brows. Today I'll be using a brow pencil from Zaron Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand, and I'll be taking a spoolie to brush the hairs of the brow. Now, first of all, you want to outline your brows, starting from the tail end of the brow and the lower part. So with short light strokes with a very light hand. If you want a natural looking brow, you can't be heavy-handed. You have to do it in short light strokes, and try to keep your hand as straight as possible because you don't want to be walking around with a crooked brow. Okay? Okay. Now I'm going ahead to outline the top part of the brow, and again I'm starting from the tail end, and I'll be defining the arc, and I'm just filling in. You just want to fill in. You don't want to shade, you don't want to paint on your brows, you just want to fill in. So with short light strokes, I'm filling in her brows, mimicking her brow hairs or the lack thereof. And yeah, basically quite simple, nothing much. And I'll be shading in upward short strokes to mimic hair, or the hair she's supposed to have. And never forget to always go back in with your spoolie to brush out any harsh lines that you notice or you can see. And you can stop filling in whenever you reach the desired density of brow that you want. Now for cleaning out the brow, I'll be using a concealer brush. It's a flat brush, and a concealer that is a shade or two lighter than your normal skin tone, and I'll just be cleaning out the brow. Mostly I only concentrate on cleaning out the lower part of the brow, and you don't have to use a lot of products. You don't have to use a lot of concealer when cleaning out. Just use a very minimum. Be economical with your products, you guys, because money is kind of not easy to come by. So you have to be very economical, okay? Once you clean out, blend. Try to always blend as you clean out. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.